the scaffolding.
Fuck. Shit.
The scaffolding.
This is a video of the aftermath of the Christchurch earthquake that took place a couple months ago, and as you can see, it's still pretty bad in Christchurch.
Whoa. Look at this one here. Damn, that's messed up. They're gonna put it all back together, these other pieces. Jeez.
Big puzzle piece.
Big puzzle. 3D puzzle.
Yeah. Real life Tetris we call it.
Carnage.
Yeah, this is where we're on. There's a Christchurch. Oh.
Shit got fucked up. Jabba, explain to us what you're seeing.
Well, on the left here we have a big
Traffic
building that like half of it was just like fallen off.
Yeah, alright.
Just there's rubble around, I guess.
Okay.
And the top of it's just gone.
Yeah, I can see that.
It's like not there.
Someone left the door open, they're gonna like get rats and fucking birds inside too.
Since the top's gone, I think the windows have all smashed.
It's very astute of you.
As you can see above the windows, it used to say something. Now that's all gone.
You can't see it? No.
Get right close to that window, Brian. You want the full height.
Jesus.
Keeps going. It's just like rubble all over the floor.
Sorry, Ziggy, I'm getting close.
Sorry.
Just because I like you.
Oh shit. Oh yeah, that's bad.
That one's all good. That one's fine.
Oh no, for that door.
Yeah. Archway doorway.
What about that top bit over there? It's supposed to be.
Oh, here's that one.
That might be the top of it, and they had to relocate it.
They're just like, fuck it, let's just keep it here.
Go straight in. No, that could be.